O di ba? Sabi ko naman sa'yo, we make the perfect team. Eh, kailan naman kaya tayo magiging perfect couple?
Uy, Bong! Bilang doon sa table 3.
Sige, wait lang. Happy 3rd anniversary! Uy, seryoso mo naman masyado.
Kasi matubal na yung benta, tapos hindi na natin makover yung expenses. Tingin mo, dapat ba magsara na tayo?
Sa bagay, siguro kung hindi na nga natin kaya, pwede na natin isara. Ayusin natin yung mga documents. Kung gusto mo, bukas punta na tayo sa BIR. Hi sir, good morning. Ano po requirements ng business closure?
Here are the requirements for the application for business closure. In filling out the BIR form, the important fields are as follows: TIN, RDO code, contact number, name, closure of business, reason for closure, and signature over printed name. Unused invoices will be surrendered for destruction, after which it will be returned for final and proper disposal. For more detailed procedure, refer to the Citizens Charter 2025 First Edition at www.bir.gov.ph. After completing the requirements, the taxpayer is issued a queuing number for the CSS counter. The officer receives the application and prepares a verification slip for routing to other sections. The collection section checks for any unposted payments and other compliance requirements. The compliance section verifies if there are open cases. After verification, he will be informed of any open cases. If none, the officer proceeds with the registration. Note that taxpayers may be subjected to mandatory audit or verification if any of the following criteria is met.
Customer number 52. Okay na po yung business closure nyo. Mabuti po at compliant kayo kaya wala kayong open cases. Ito na po yung TCL certificate nyo. Close na po yan.
Nasayang lang ba lahat ng pagod natin?
Walang nasayang na pagod. Hindi lahat ng lumalaban nananalo at hindi lahat ng sumusuko natatalo.
Alam mo, tama ka nga. We make a perfect couple.
Eh di, tayo na?